Hello everyone, this is Anshita and you are watching series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. And today's success story is about Dr. Ruta Savarkar, who's the founder and director of Brainberg Knowledge Solution Private Limited.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello ma'am, welcome to the show.
थैंक यू अंशिता।
नमस्ते मैम। मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो लोग भी आपको आज शो पे देख रहे हैं, could you please tell us a bit more about yourself?
Sure, Anshita. See, first and foremost, I should say about myself is I am a Soham Sadhak. I am follower of my Swami Sadguru Priyottamananda. And because of his inspiration, his guidance and blessings, even though I am a pediatrician basically, then I work as a family physician also, because when children come, I have to listen to their parents as well as I should understand the family background. So I am a sort of family physician because I understood that physical well-being is hand in hand with the mental well-being as well. So if I introduce myself, then I'm a pediatrician by profession. Basically, I'm a mother, and yes, I'm serving the humanity. That is my introduction.
I think you are doing some great work, ma'am. And also, if we talk about the past a bit, I would love to know, how did you actually come to the idea of starting this business? What was the thought behind it, and what was the entire process like?
Anshita, allow me to make you understand very important thing. See, Brainberg, if we just listen to that sound, we know that there is a entity known as iceberg, right?
Correct.
So we can see the upper tip of the iceberg, and the whole thing lies actually beneath. So human personality is of same kind. Sometimes we feel that there is a disease or there is an unease, but there is a lot more related with that, because of that human has got the personality which sometimes he or she may know it or don't know it. So while treating or see, my aim is to achieve the complete health for the person. Okay. So in this process of my pediatric service, I came as a part of it as experiential learning, I would say, that I should understand the person as a whole to actually share with him the wisdom given by my Sadguru and make him understand whether he is in a phase of disease or whether he is just in a phase of unease, where the person can shift towards the ease. And what is ease is the complete health. So with this experiential learning, Brainberg had started. The way we need some investigation, say some person is suffering from some tremors and anxiety and hypertension, and if I suspect that female is under stress, so I may suggest thyroid function test, right?
Correct.
So these investigation tools are very helpful to pinpoint the root cause so that we can treat the person, the disease, and even the duration we can understand. Same way, I tried these things with my team to develop these psychometric assessments, which are actually understanding the emotional and behavioral traits, so that we can understand the physical fitness, skill fitness, and the cultural fitness as well. So where the root cause lies, we can understand with these assessments, and we can actually become a team to treat that. So we have got these assessments as well as the solutions. So it is a teamwork there.
Wow, I think you've explained it very nicely, ma'am. You know, the entire process, that the complete well being is not just about the physical well being, but also the mental state. Also, if we talk about your journey, ma'am, how has it been? Any challenges that you faced probably sometime in your career that you would like to share with us?
Yes, sure. Sometimes we say that if one person has some obstacles and he has got the knowledge to overcome them, you should share with the others. So
Absolutely.
the first hurdle was reaching out to the people, and reaching out physically as well as at the intellectual levels also. Being
Correct.
a pediatrician and a doctor, a typical allopathic doctor, the hurdle was, first my colleagues and then my some relatives and my friends, they were like, why unnecessary you are doing these things, why you are going for a mental well-being when you are absolutely a allopathic doctor, you should deal with the physical fitness.
Correct.
To make them understand, actually you can say I'm a really good listener, so I listened to them what they are trying to say, and I can reach out with the listening is was my experiential experience. And the physical richness, see, I have to reach to the schools, to the colleges, to the corporates and industries. So physically I can't reach uh, each and every person, because initial phases we were doing the pen pencil tests,
Hmm.
but with the growth and development and the scaling, we actually overcame this challenge with digitalization. So
Right.
here comes again the team effort. So these
Absolutely.
challenges, they are virtual, sometimes they are physical, sometimes they are intellectual, sometimes they are emotional. But most importantly, what my Sadhguru explained to me, simple thing: believe in your visions and continue your efforts. That's the most important thing.
Absolutely. I think that's one advice that we should all keep in our minds every time we are trying something new.
Okay, so this time we've spoken about the past, but when we
Right.
talk about the upcoming projects, ma'am, what is the future of Brainberg like? Could you tell us a
Okay,
bit about your future endeavors?
sure, Anshita. So now we have talked about the past. Let me explain a bit about the present before I explain about the future. So
Absolutely.
Brenberg is actually doing the core service in a psychometric assessments, right? So our two verticals are there. One is TreadFit. Under this TreadFit, we are actually doing the psychometric assessments at the level of emotional and behavioral emotional traits for hiring of employees and training and development of employees. And the other
Okay.
vertical is WizQuiz. So this is related to the age group of say 7 to 19 years. Uh, so this is a range actually, and in this vertical, we are dealing with the IQ test, then emotional intelligence, multiple intelligence, and career guidance. So these
Right.
are the different psychometric assessments we are dealing with. So if I can explain in a bit, there are different stages of human life. Say like intrauterine, then there is a childhood, then adolescence, and then the grown up part. So in
Right.
each area or in each stage of human life, the psychometric assessments we have designed, and we are actually dealing with the personal fitness, skill fitness, and cultural fitness. So this is the present thing. Even we have developed the matrimonial assessments and even the parenting style also. So this is a fun part of it, and it is a beauty of it. So this
Right.
is present tense. So in future, what I can see that in Bharat, actually we should actually become the Atmanirbhar persons. See, if we understand our own abilities and we understand or accept our weaknesses, we can deal with these things. We can improve more on our abilities, and we can actually strengthen our weaknesses. And
Correct.
along with our abilities, we should combine these things with our interests. Unless and until we don't know about our own interests and passions, we can't enjoy our professional life. See,
Right.
what I have seen, if you are working very hard, if you are very much stressful, you may succumb to your ill health. Multiple organ dysfunction syndromes like hypertension, diabetes, the etiology behind that is simply most important factor as a stress and deranged lifestyle. So family life and professional life, they are intermingled. So
Correct.
at both the levels, we should know our own abilities and our interest, and accordingly we should design our professional life. And at the family level, we should actually spend the quality time. So the future thing, what Brenberg sees is that every person should understand his or her self. I'm saying the bigger self at the level of, say, all these three fitnesses, and there should be the well-being at the level of culture, society, and international levels. So this is actually a future. Sometimes we say it, these are the dreams, but according to me, these are the visions. See, a sound and peaceful person is helpful to self. He is at ease or she is at ease and can help and give a complete progressive thirst to the nation and as well as to the globe. So this is the
Absolutely.
future, what we can see as a vision of Brenberg, because we are dealing with not only high IQ level persons who are having a bit less social intelligence or emotional intelligence, but we are actually connected with those angel babies who are having some Down syndrome or because of intrauterine dysfunctions or intrauterine some traumas. They are suffering from what we tag them as mentally retarded. So that person also should live a complete human life with ease and happiness and achieve his life goals. So these are the future
Absolutely.
parts which we are dealing with.
I think you, along with your team, are doing some great work, ma'am, and we wish you
Thank
all
you.
the luck. Also,
Thank you, Jia.
if you could tell us about a bit about the services that you provide, and also how can somebody contact you? You know, your contact details, or if at all you're present on social media, how do they get to connect to you? Something about that.
Yes, Anshita, if you want to get connected with us, you can see the website. Brenberg's website is there, TechFit and WizQuiz website is there, and also on LinkedIn and Facebook, you can connect with us. So
Okay.
these are the social media connectivities. You can communicate with Brenberg team.
Right.
And social services, if you are asking me, uh, let me explain to you about, we have just given a social service about this pandemic, what we have faced about COVID. In this pandemic, we have developed a mental well-being test. And along with the test, we are actually giving the uh, therapy, the solution at a holistic levels also.
Wow.
We are also serving to the Pune police. They have given the mental well-being test, and we have provided some solutions for boosting their immunity, mental immunity, physical immunity, both ways. So this is
Wow.
a teamwork.
I think that's absolutely brilliant, ma'am. Also,
Thank you, dear.
I would want to know how did you feel and what do you have to say about winning Indian Achievers Awards? You know, that's like almost hitting like a new milestone. And what was the feeling like?
Oh, I'm actually grateful to the people who have chosen. But this is not about one person. You know, I have started this journey as alone, but कारवां निकल पड़ा और साथी साथ हो लिए.
Absolutely.
तो मंजिलें सामने दिखती है. So the thing is, I feel blessed to have this award because you know, sometimes these recognitions are most important to explain your visions to the society. And
Correct.
this is the best platform I can see, that health we consider just as understanding the patient, but
Right.
basically patient, it is defined as the person who should have the patience. In Sanskrit it is called as Sahana Shakti and Pratikara Shakti. The
Correct.
person who should deal with them is known as patient, but we differ them, tag them. So irrespective of that, our philosophy explains to us that understand the person, understand the root cause, and be with that person,
Right.
empathize with that person, connect with the person, and as a team help him to come out of the disease and unease. So this platform has given me to explain that all the pathies, all the science behind it, and the philosophy behind it, they actually are on the same platform. So I don't differentiate any other pathies, and this is the best and this is better and this is not good, this is not scientific. What I see is cure is must, definitely, but prevention is more important than the cure. So these
Absolutely.
psychometric assessments, they help to understand the person and come out of the disease and unease states.
Right.
So I'm thankful for this award, so that I can express myself.
I think you are very well deserved for the award, ma'am. Also, before
Thank
we
you, Anshita.
conclude this session,
Yes,
any
dear.
last message that you would like to give to all the young generation people who are watching you right now, who wish to be an entrepreneur someday, or even take an initiative to bring a change in the society? Any message for them?
Uh, with my experience, I can share with you. Please allow me to say, because I'm not teaching or preaching, I'm sharing. If you are firm on your vision, then be confident. And definitely, you need the team, because if you want to bring the change in society, whatsoever, you need the team. The second thing is, if some challenges like financial challenges or some social challenges come, you should have the patience to deal with that. If you believe in yourself, in your thoughts, in your visions, you can overcome that. And may I explain to you what is the entrepreneurship? It is the activity of setting up a business which may induce some ideas and visions. So,
Correct.
as a woman or as a mother, I see this as conception, growth and development, which is called as intrauterine, then delivery, then growth and milestones. Say, like the way you are nurturing your kid. Being a pediatrician, I can share this as a vision that if you are developing one creativity, then believe in it. Your love, care, and complete trust, with your firmness and patience, you will actually develop it into a valid product. So
Right.
this is my message and this is my request to all the
Wow.
women and all the entrepreneurs and next generation.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing all that you had to say to us. You are truly an inspiration for a lot of people, including me. So, thank you
Thank you,
again for
Anshita.
being with us today. May you keep inspiring everyone with your new milestones, and I wish you all the luck for all your future endeavors.
I'm a very simple person, dear. I just talk from my heart.
And that's what
See,
connects, I believe.
that's what I connect actually. So the last thing will be your each action, your each emotion, and your thought process should be connected to the ultimate truth, and this should be the vision which I can share with all of you. Thank you very much
Thank you
for
so
being with
much, ma'am.
me. Thank you,
Thank
Anshita.
you.
Thank
It
you,
was a
Kirti.
pleasure, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.